Hello and welcome to the new Power Query tutorial video, and in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can change or work with the text data. For example, if you see you have this text data which, let's say, you want to make everything as lowercase or everything as uppercase, or add a prefix, suffix, which is a very common operation when you work with the text data. Also trimming the data and stuff like that. So usually you would expect that you need to basically add up different types of functions or operations to do that piece, but which is also true that you can do that. However, there are inbuilt features with which you can do it. So I'll show you that, and before I go and show the functionality, just a quick information. If you have landed very first time on my channel, then you may be wondering the data set you just saw in the Power Query window is nothing but this Power BI Superstore sales. So the link for my main dataset folder is present in description, but you need to come into the Power BI folder within that, and that's where it is present along with the other dataset and the previously dashboard files if you want to utilize those. Also, one more important information about this Google Sheet, that the link for this Google Sheet is present in description. If you have landed very first time, then this information is useful for you, because I have produced more than 280 videos right now, and searching and finding that those videos are really difficult, right? So for that, I have given the link in description. You can come and search any of my video based on the title, and then using the link which is present in column B, you can jump onto that video. Also, you can see that what is the difficulty level that I have: beginner, intermediate, I have some advanced as well. So all of that you can get to know from here, right? Like these two folks are doing. So with that, let's come back to the Power Query and see it in action. So you have the product name, right? And we will work on this. So what you have is the transform menu. Beside to home, you have transform menu after you have got the data, and then you have under this text column you have the format, right? So let's say you want to change everything to a lowercase, so you come, select the column, and every information is now changed to lowercase. Similarly, if you want uppercase, this is uppercase. Quite straightforward, right? Capitalize each word. Very, very important for those formatting scenarios where in your company, if they are looking for, let's say, all the capitalized word rather than figuring out what to do, here is a straightforward. Trimming, right? Very important. If you have spaces for which, let's say logic is not working and it's creating error, then trimming is very, very important, which is part of a data cleaning. You have clean. It means if you have any non-printable characters, it will clean it, right? Many times you will see some special character or non-printable characters are coming. You can clean it. Add prefix, very, very important. Let's say you want to add something like I don't know, old to each and every value, right? So what do? You click on this and old is added everywhere, right? Similarly, this is prefix and there is a suffix as well. So if I go to format, there is an option of adding a suffix. That means in the end you want to add old, so I space dash and let's say old over here, just as an example, and you will see that old is present in the end. So that is something which is very, very interesting that is being given over here, and something that you should know as part of basically working with the text column. So these are some of the inbuilt features I wanted to show you or make you aware that rather than searching for formulas or anything, utilize these features and get the desired output if this is what you are looking for. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with the new topic.